Hey, so if you're getting upload errors in ShareX, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when your screenshots won't upload or links aren't generated. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve the ShareX upload error problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Upload failures often happen because of weak or interrupted connections. Next, check your upload destination. If the selected service is down or misconfigured, uploads will fail. If you're using services like Imgur or Google Drive, try reconnecting your account. Expired permissions can cause errors. Some services have limits, yeah, so make sure your file size and format are supported. Make sure ShareX is updated to the latest version. Older versions can have bugs that affect uploads. Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking uploads. Temporarily disable them or allow ShareX through. If the problem continues, switch to a different upload service to see if it works. And finally, restart ShareX or reinstall it completely if the issue doesn't go away. So yeah, that's how to fix ShareX upload errors. One of these steps should get your uploads working again quickly. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes